All right, so we are Simple Livin, and we are husband and wife team drivers.
Yeah, we are.
So we're best known for making our semi into a micro tiny house.
We're maybe known for being weird too, kind
Yeah,
of weird.
we are weird. So that's a good thing, though. So one of the weird things that we're going to help you in is cooking. So we want to help you live a healthier lifestyle and get out of eating truck stop food or even prepared cans of like SpaghettiOs or different things like that that are not very healthy for you. We want you to be a healthier driver, and we want to teach you how to cook in the truck.
Cook in the truck.
So
So easy, even I can do it.
he can. He definitely helps cook in the truck. So
I've only made a few messes. You know, she hits a bump and it goes over.
it happens sometimes.
It happens sometimes.
Yeah. So we're going to be teaming up with Breaker19, and we are going to be offering cooking lessons.
Breaker 19. Breaker.
Come in. All right. So we're going to be coming up with a course for you of what do you need in your truck and how to cook in your truck and put out some pretty awesome meals and get to have a huge cost saving and keep your money in your pocket and still eat amazing home cooked food.
This is a brand new platform, just starting from the ground up. Go check them out, breaker19.com, BREAKERONE
Number 9.
9.com.
All right. So you can also check them on Instagram and Facebook, and we will leave those links right below for you guys.